the book is outlined on the topic sequence of my course in sustainable agriculture. And that means right in the middle of the book there's a chapter on animal agriculture and the issues of how should we farm relative to the care of animals. There's another chapter in the book that's related to the animal welfare issue, and that is human health and the kind of diet that we have. And of course all of this ties back into organic agriculture. And there's lots of diversity of opinion about how we should take care of animals. And I'm not sure I know the answer to all those issues. But one of the things, as humans have domesticated animals and become responsible for their care, is a protection from predators. That's a part of animal welfare. If we're confining them, if they're no longer in the wild and have all their natural instincts and fears, how do we take care of them? The principle of animal welfare that the philosophers come to, those philosophers that I agree with, there's some of them that want to put diapers on the farm animals and stuff, and they're crazy. The ones that aren't crazy say that what we want to do in the care of our livestock is to give them a life as natural as possible, where they can carry on as much of their natural biological activities as possible. What that's going to look like in some specific cases, again, is full of debate. We're trying to figure out how you do that. But one of the wonderful things about organic dairy farming is that we're getting a lot of our cattle back on pasture. One of the things that concerns me a great deal, and in this crowd I'm probably safe to talk about it, is the feedlot industry and the way that we're producing red meat in this country. And the environmental destruction that is associated with producing all of those row crops to grow all of that feed. And I don't want to see the industry disappear immediately. To be honest with you, so you kind of know where I'm coming from, I'm also the vice president of a Nebraska cattle company. And most of our livestock go to the feedlots. It would be an economic disaster to a lot of people if the feedlot industry would disappear all at once. But it's not a good environmental idea. Grass-fed is better. And as I see, on this organic dairy farm, also the sale of organic meat, I think that's a tremendous idea, and I hope that grows and grows, just changing the way that we produce our food.